Hello friends, today we are going to discuss polytropic process. First, we will see theory part of a polytropic process. What is a polytropic process? What is its general equation? Okay, let's start. Process means change in the state of system. When a system changes its state, it has to move through number of in-between states. A series of states followed by system is known as path of a process. The path followed by any process can be expressed in the terms of pressure-volume relationship. Such a relation is known as polytropic law of process. In general, PV raised to N is equal to constant. Okay. Where P is a pressure, V is a volume, N is polytropic index. Different processes corresponds to different values of polytropic index. Hence, each process is a scientific type of a polytropic process. C. PV raised to N is equal to constant. First, put N is equal to 0. PV raised to 0 is equal to constant. What V raised to 0? Anything raised to 0 equals to 1 means P into 1 is equal to constant. Means P is equal to constant. In which process P is equal to constant? Pressure constant mean isobaric process. We already studied about isothermal process, isochoric process, isobaric process and adiabatic process. If you didn't see this video, I will give link in the description box. After that, put N is equal to 1. PV raised to N is equal to constant. PV raised to 1 is equal to constant. It becomes PV raised to 1 equal to constant. Now, anything raised to 1 is equal to that number itself. Means PV is equal to constant. In which process PV is equal to constant is the equation in isothermal process. We are already studied about it. Hence, PV is equal to constant is equation of isothermal process. In that, T is equal to constant. Now put N is equal to infinity. Then equation becomes PV raised to infinity is equal to C. For solution, what we do? Powered by 1 by infinity on both sides. P raised to 1 by infinity into V raised to infinity into 1 by infinity is equal to C raised to 1 by infinity. Constant raised to 1 by infinity becomes constant as it is. Now, this get cancelled. P raised to 1 by infinity into V is equal to C. Now, infinity means 1 by 0. Put the value. If this 0 goes to here, means P raised to 0 by 1 into V is equal to C, means 1 into V is equal to C. 0 divided by 1, 0. P raised to 0, 1. 1 into V is equal to C. Hence, V is equal to constant. In which process V is equal to constant? In isochoric process, V is equal to constant, where we put N is equal to infinity in the PV raised to N is equal to constant equation. Now PV raised to n is equal to constant. Put n is equal to gamma. We already know that PV raised to gamma is equal to constant is the equation of adiabatic process.